Hello everyone, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Shireen and I bring you fashion and lifestyle video content. Alright, so in today's video, I am sharing my most recent Amazon must-have. So if you are familiar with my channel, you already know that I am going through a rebuild of my capsule wardrobe as well as home organization, especially when it comes to my wardrobe and closet. I recently purchased some accessory displays and storage from Amazon and I was really impressed with them. Although I plan on storing them and displaying them in my closet once I get shelving and things of that nature, I have been using these displays and basically placing them on my dressers and nightstands and around my room temporarily. All right, so one thing that I really do love about each of these displays are that they were extremely easy to assemble. One of my major pet peeves when it comes to ordering products like this is that sometimes they can be really complex and complicated to assemble, or you need extra tools and things of that nature. All right, so the first piece that I want to share is this sunglass case, or glasses or watches. You can really use them for multiple things, but I am using them for sunglasses. Stores 18 sunglasses. You see all those slots in there, and I really love them. I really like this because it can be used for multiple purposes. So as you can see, it has a cover with snaps, so you can easily travel with this. It doesn't have a handle or anything, but you could definitely travel with it or store it in a hidden place. I'm choosing to display it openly, so if you want to display it openly, all you would do is snap it here on the side. Here we go. You would snap it here on the side, and you can have it standing up in your closet on a shelf or on your dresser or your nightstand, wherever you store your sunglasses or accessories. The only color from this vendor was this black color. It's also very light in weight, so it's not heavy at all, and it just has like it's very flexible. You can store this literally anywhere. The cost for this was $26.99, and I don't know the exact measurements, but I'm linking all products in the description box as usual, so you guys can easily find each piece that I'm discussing today. Inside, it's like a soft satin finish, so you don't have to worry about your sunglasses getting scratched or damaged in any way. So this next piece is called a rotating traveling jewelry case. I'm using it to display my rings, but it rotates around, so you can literally just like balance it on your wherever you want to place them and just have your rings there available for you. I thought this was extremely cute. It's so small and convenient, and I love the fact that you can close it up and easily travel with it. So you can close it up like this and easily travel with this. I love the color. It's white. It's kind of like a hard plastic, so you really don't have to worry about it scratching or anything like that. Inside is kind of like a felt, so it's kind of soft, and it has like that gray color. It is 5 layers, so there's plenty of space for you to store your rings, but it can also be used to store, like, you know, like necklaces or bracelets that are smaller that can be, you know, that can fit in these slots. So it comes in multiple colors from this particular vendor. It comes in this white color, it comes in a mint green, a very light pink, a black color, a metallic silver. It also comes in clear as well. This one is currently on sale for, I think it's like 44% off. It is for $9.99. The other colors range from $10.99 to $16.99. This next display, it's called a 4-tier jewelry tree stand, and I absolutely love this. I feel like it's so chic. This is the color gold with a white base. I absolutely love it. As you can see, of course, it has 4 layers. I'm using it for my necklaces, as well as some really big earrings that I have that can't fit on my display that I will be showing you guys. You can see that this tier has holes in there for earrings, but I absolutely love this. I think it doesn't take up a lot of space, but it can hold a lot of necklaces. You can also place bracelets on this as well. It is a metal material, and it also comes in black. From this particular vendor, it also comes in black with a wooden color base. But yeah, I really like this. It was about $25 or $26. I definitely feel like it was worth it. Maybe be able to go to Home Goods and Marshalls and pick up certain things that are similar as well. But I like the convenience of just ordering from Amazon, getting the color scheme and everything that I want, knowing that it will just arrive at my door instead of looking for it and searching for it. But you can most definitely probably find these at like a Burlington Coat Factory, or, you know, Home Goods or TJ Maxx or Marshalls as well. So this next one I absolutely love. It is a 2-tier jewelry display case, and it is covered in like a velvet finish, so it's extremely soft. The fabric is so soft, you don't have to worry about anything getting scratched. And I love how it has this compartment here where you can place, you know, additional jewelry. I've been placing my large cocktail rings here, such as the ring that I have on now. The previous display where I said I keep my rings, those are definitely like more smaller rings, but for cocktail rings will not fit in that. So I've been using this slot here for my cocktail rings, and I've been using these for my bracelets. And if you are a watch person, you could definitely store your watches on this. It's probably perfect to store your watches. And then it has another compartment here that is just open, where you can just utilize it for whatever you want. It comes in this white color. It also comes in black, as well as a black with silver accents on the end here. I just wanted all white, but you do have those color options available. And this was for $18.99. So this next piece, I actually ordered this multiple times. The first time I ordered it in black, and it is a earring holder. And when I tell you, I've been looking for an earring holder with this many holes. It has so many holes for your earrings. It comes with 88 holes. So it comes in this white color. It also comes in a light pink. That's not me. If you are into the pinks, you could definitely order this in pink. And then it also comes in black. And when I originally ordered this, I did order it in black because I just did not even pay attention and see that they had the white color that goes with my other color, my color scheme for my accessories. So I went ahead and ordered this in white, and I think I ordered 2 of them. So I think I have another one coming because this was part of my second order. So yeah, I ordered 2 of these in white, and then I have my original black one. But I really love this. It has this white wooden base, but extremely easy to assemble. You literally just have to put this in the wooden base. This was $16.99. So this right here is probably the one that I was a little bit disappointed with, because I did not pay attention to the measurements and the sizing, and I guess I ordered the smaller one. I believe this is the smaller one, but it's just a glass vanity tray. Honestly, you could definitely get this anywhere, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods. They may have a little bit of scratches on it when you find it, but I ordered this from Amazon, and it was about $20. Is this worth it? I don't know. I feel like if I go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something like that, you could probably find something like this cheaper. But I intended on placing my fragrances in this, but then I saw how small it is, and I was like, okay, you can really use it for anything else. You could put jewelry in this as well. But I really wanted something specifically for my perfumes and fragrances. So after this arrived, I went ahead and did make another purchase, and I'll be sharing that purchase with you momentarily. But for now, I just wanted to show you guys this glass vanity. It has like this felt at the bottom so that your furniture doesn't get scratched, and I love the gold accents here. Now, from what I remember from that vendor, it does not come in any other color. It's just this glass color with the gold accents. So last but not least is this three-tier vanity tray. Now, unlike the one that I just showed you guys with that just one glass tray, this is not made out of glass. This is out of acrylic, so it's a really hard plastic material, and I absolutely love it. This was probably the most difficult to assemble, but it wasn't difficult. It just took a little bit longer, and I just had to read the directions. Honestly, it was extremely easy to assemble. I feel like it was so worth it. I love how big it is and how much it can hold. Although I plan on using these for my perfume and fragrances, you can really use this for anything. Like, you can use this for whatever you want. You can probably place your makeup on this, whatever you want to use this for, you can definitely use it, and it probably takes up the most space out of all the other displays that I ordered. But I so love this. I do plan on building my fragrance and my perfume collection, so this is perfect. If you don't want 3 tiers, if you don't have enough use for 3 levels, you can order a 2-tier. So they do have a 2-tier option available, and this was, I believe, $35.99, and the 2-tier option is $21.99. But I really love this, and the only color that it did come in was this clear. And that wraps up my most recent must-haves from Amazon, these accessory displays and organization pieces. All the links will be in my description box. If you guys have any questions about any of these, make sure you place them in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow me on my other social media. I always place my social media handles on the video screen. It is the same for all my platforms at Shireen_H. If you guys have any other questions, make sure you comment below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.